In this video, I will show you how to remove objects with your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So as you can see, I am already inside the Photos app on my phone. I have selected the picture that I want to edit. Let's say that I really love this picture, but for some reason, I do not like this lamp. Now, Apple has a new built-in feature that is going to allow you to pretty much edit your pictures like you're using Photoshop. So all we have to do is select this icon right here at the bottom right. It's going to be the one right next to the trash can on the left. Once you do, as you can see, you're going to have different features here like adjust, filters, crop. What we're going to select is going to be cleanup. Keep in mind that this feature is only available for the iPhone 15 and up. So after you select cleanup, it's going to take a few moments to load. But after that, what you can do is simply zoom in a little bit into the object that you want to remove and select it. And that's it. Let's say that I also want to delete this little lamp right here. I'm also going to select it. And as you can see, super simple. You pretty much just have to tap on the object and your phone will automatically select it and delete it. After you're done, you can simply tap undone, and now your photo will be saved to your phone with the changes that we just made. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.